Right, so the setup. I've I've made a post in WordPress. That's not really relevant, and I've put the wrong picture in. That is relevant. Having put the wrong picture in, you can see the post here with the wrong picture in. If I then go to share this onto Facebook, for example, I can maybe I don't notice it. Maybe the picture is I've realised it's wrong later, or maybe I realise there's a spelling mistake in my title or my description, and I want to change it later. The problem now comes is having shared this on Facebook. Facebook has stored in its cache, in its little storage box for my address, the title, the image, and all the other bits and pieces for use later on if somebody else either looks at it or shares it or does anything else with that with the same address. Rather than going off back to my site to find that content again, Facebook reuses the stuff it stored itself. So for me, if this is wrong, that's a problem for me. There is a way around it. We use the Facebook debugger, the Facebook crawler, or whatever you want to call it, to basically tell Facebook to go off and find the information again, to forget what you know, and go and get it again. And I'll show you how that works now. In fact, I'll publish that post to get it to it. So there's the post on my page there. If we go to the Facebook debugger, and if you search Facebook debugger or Facebook crawler, you'll get to this page. And the way this works, if I put the address of the thing that I have an issue with onto this page, it'll show me the current content on there. So you'll see in this box here, I've got all my bits and pieces and any other things that are involved in it. You'll also see if they think there's any problems with this page, it'll show you on here as well for you to fix if you can be bothered. So what I need to do on my blog itself is make the change. So I'm going to take this the wrong image off. I'm going to take a new image, add the new image to this post, and I'm going to put the right image on. So for all intents and purposes, for my blog, my live page, when I refresh this, you'll see that the image will change. So I've now got the right image, but still on Facebook is the wrong image. If I take that and I share it again, it's still going to have the wrong image on there. I'm going to take that off, and we've still got the wrong image on here as well. If I go to the debugger, however, and just here, it says here the time scrape. So the time Facebook went off and found the details was 4 minutes ago. If I go and scrape again, that's going to tell it to go off and get that content again. And it should, cross your fingers, it should change the, scrape it again, should update the whole thing, and we should see the new picture. Thank God that worked. Okay, so that's it. Now, as far as Facebook is concerned, if somebody else uses that post or shares that URL or goes to that, they're going to see that new content. So in reality, if I update my my page, so Facebook, shows that stuff again, I'm going to add the same address as a Facebook post. There we go. I've got my new post there. Happy with that? There's my new post. And if I want to, I can get rid of this if I want to. So it does the whole thing. It's kind of kept the old one, but I don't need to use it if I don't want to. There. That's how you get Facebook to add new content to your posts and stuff. Facebook debugger. It's more useful than it sounds.